Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman today presented ninth consecutive budget under Prime Minister Narendra Modi, marking the first ever Sunday presentation in India's history. The budget, guided by three Kartavyas, accelerating and sustaining economic growth, fulfilling citizens' aspirations and ensuring inclusive access to resources and opportunities, did not offer income tax relief or charges in standard deductions, disappointing taxpayers as markets tumbled into the red during the presentation. Main proposals include tax holiday for foreign companies providing cloud services through Indian data centers, exemption of minimum alternate tax for non-residents on presumptive income, and implementation of new tax act from April 1, 2026. The fiscal deficit is projected at 4.3% of GDP for 2026 to 27, with a total budget size of 53.5 lakh crore rupees. Major highlights include public capital expenditure of 12.2 trillion rupees, establishment of dedicated REITs for CPSE assets, and infrastructure risk guarantee fund, 5,000 crore rupees allocation per city economic region over 5 years, coastal cargo promotion scheme to double inland waterways and coastal shipping share by 2047, an initiative spanning biopharma hubs, expanded electronics manufacturing, semiconductor mission 2.0, rare earth corridors, container manufacturing, mega textile parks, and a new SME growth fund.